Hello, beautiful souls. Hello, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Summer Lily and I are just cooling it. Gonna say hi. Hello. We're chilling. Ignore my little. This is so funny. Let me tell y'all about this while I wait for a couple of people to get on. So, when we first moved to DC after hotel living all last year, when we first moved to DC, I got super excited about the Buy Nothing culture. And if you're not familiar with Buy Nothing, this is definitely an amazing little gem. I'm about to just drop a couple gems here for y'all, and let me know down in the comments if it was new information, if it was helpful for you. I just want to share some info with you guys. So Buy Nothing there's actually a website, I think it's buynothing.org, but there's also different Facebook groups that connect you with your local Buy Nothing group. So it's specific to your neighborhood, and I love it because it really creates a sense of community. So basically, instead of selling things on Facebook Marketplace, some people just want to give it away, and people literally give away, please don't put your feet on that, people literally give away any and everything. As far as what I've gotten from there, that's why I'm mentioning it. I was looking for some, what's it called? I'm gonna make my screen brighter. But yeah, I was looking for some wine corks because I was originally gonna get some empty glass vases and fill them up with wine corks, but we are super minimalist, and I'm actually not even interested in that type of decor anymore. Like, I don't like anything that fills with dust. Like, I don't like anything that anything can get in the crevices. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, so it was like when we first moved here, everything that I thought about that I needed, literally as soon as I thought about it, it was there. And of course, you guys know I manifest instantly. So I randomly thought like, I need a bunch of wine corks, and I dropped it in did I drop it? Yeah, I dropped it in the group, and a few people in the neighborhood reached out to me and said that they had wine corks. The bin that I have right here, somebody collected 15 years worth of wine corks. So I don't know, maybe I will drop it back in the group and see if somebody else in the group wants to come pick it up. But anywho, I also got some kitchen napkins that were valued at like almost $90. Where do they come from? Crate and Barrel. And I love them because of course, again, minimalist life. Like, I buy paper towels sometimes, but for the most part, like, I have some reusable kitchen cloths that we got from the dollar store, like these white, they're called flour sacks. I have like 4 of those. But anyway, like a set of 8 reusable napkins. I love them. They're amazing. They're so multi-purpose. I use them for, like, instead of a paper napkin, we use them as like tablecloths, layout to eat our food on top of. So yeah, I also got, what else did we get from there? It'll come to me. Oh, I ordered some lights that I was going to use to decorate the patio, but that ended up not working out. Anyway, I just wanted to hop on here and say hello. If you saw my most recent Instagram post, I was talking about the Stuff app. I actually ordered 4 camping chairs from Walmart, and I got them completely free. They were $40, and y'all know your girl loves free. I created an affirmation. You love free?
Yeah.
Everything is free for us, right?
Yeah.
Everything is free for me and my family.
Yeah.
So I created an affirmation that everything is free for me and my family, and I speak it every day, and things are just free for us. So when you manifest things, the physical equivalent, no, not right now because I'm talking, the physical manifestation can come in so many different forms, and one of the forms that it came was via the Stuff app. So I've been looking for some type of personal assistant situation, and I'm still designing. I mentioned this in the last video. I'm still designing like the type of help that I need, but in the meantime, I stumbled across the Stuff app, which is like a personal assistant app. It's almost like DoorDash or Uber for personal assistant tasks. So I shared this before. Some of the tasks that I've helped them do was like put together a job description and help me figure out salaries for local nannies. You can have them call and make restaurant reservations for you. The app, did I say this? It's called the Stuff app. You can have them call and make restaurant reservations for you. I've ordered food through DoorDash with them. here is my actual personal suggestion. I wouldn't use them for DoorDash unless it's something that, like, say you're home all day, say you have some stuff cash and you're home all day and you just want to order some miscellaneous stuff for around your house, like dollar store or the grocery store or something like that, then yeah, sure, like if you just want to use up your stuff credits. But I didn't notice before that they were taking a little while to complete the stuff. So anyway, I have used it for DoorDash. I had some stuff credits, some stuff cash or whatever, and I used it for, what's it called, a Wingstop order. Sorry guys, I'm getting distracted. There's so much noise going on out here. There's literally so much noise. And the screen is dark, so I don't even know. If you guys can see me, say hey. But yeah, I wouldn't necessarily do a DoorDash order. So for example, I was talking to my hubby and I was like, this probably wouldn't be the best service for somebody. Like if you have an office staff and you're looking, say you're like, hey, can you order lunch for my staff, do a catering order from Panera or something like that. I wouldn't use it for that because it literally took entirely too long. And honestly, please don't talk while I'm talking. To be honest, the first time that I placed the order for Wingstop, I wanted it so bad. I was craving it so bad. And got a little delivery thing here where I live. It's actually really interesting. But the DoorDasher didn't follow. It's basically, I was doing a third party with a third party, which, again, I literally only did it because I wanted to use my free money. And the Dasher didn't follow the instructions, one, to use the call box and bring my stuff upstairs, and then also they didn't call me when they arrived. So they actually ended up leaving the food outside of my building and somebody stole it. But anyways, I ended up waking up and placing the same order the next day because I told you I was really craving wings. And so they brought it again, and the second time they actually did follow the instructions. They called me. But anyway, I personally wouldn't use the Stuff app to order food unless you're doing like a catering order for your office or something way in advance, you know. But anyway, so far I really like it. I think it's helpful to take off some just like miscellaneous tasks on your to-do list, like doing research, like I was saying, looking into the nanny situation. What else did I have them help me with? I was going to have them call Marriott and hunt down my points from when we stayed at the AC hotel. Like, it's definitely helpful for the random tasks that, like, I don't like doing. So, yeah. But I'm super excited about the Stuff Cash because it literally is free money. I still have not paid for this app yet because when I went to pay for it, they offered me another 7-day trial. So, basically, I got a 7-day trial with this app. And they gave me $20 Stuff Cash when I went to cancel it. And yeah, basically just have free money. And then I'm gonna give you guys some free game right here. I was talking about this in my Instagram stories a little while ago today, but you can definitely utilize YouTube description boxes. So if you have a YouTube channel, you definitely want to make sure you put all of your referral links in your YouTube description box, because I was saying on my story, I have almost 700 YouTube videos. So each YouTube video is basically a clone of yourself. While you're sleeping, you have 700 targeted videos reaching out to people in your specific niche or the niche related to the video. And the moment that they click on the description box, they can see everything that it is that you have to offer. So I'm giving y'all a game on how to live for free, basically. Having the stuff link in my 700 YouTube description boxes or whatever. Actually, I think I need to update it. I'll probably do that when I get off of here. Oh, and also, if you are a YouTuber and you do not know how to mass update all of your description boxes. Hell, I'm getting distracted. Well, I have a reel on my page. I'll share it to my story when I get off of here. That shows you how you can like edit all of your YouTube stuff from your phone, because I don't use a computer. I do everything from my phone. But anyway, basically I was saying, if you're somebody that has a bunch of affiliate links, you want to make sure you put them in your YouTube description box, because that's 700 videos that are working for you while you're sleeping. You wake up to free money. You wake up to free Stuff Cash. I also told you guys this is how we get free blacks, riding around in blacks for free, just off of referral links, putting it in my YouTube description box, in the link in my bio, etc. So I'm really excited about Stuff Cash. I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys about that now that the chairs actually arrived. Super excited that we can come hang out on our rooftop with chairs. Gratitude for that. And I want to talk to you about Stuff Cash. And then also, if you haven't seen my story for today, check it out. I put a lot of game on my story about the Shorby app and how, one, you can get a free website. You can get a completely free website, very simple and easy to use and edit from your phone. And then also how you can get paid for sharing the website platform. And every time somebody clicks the link in your bio and creates their own, you can get paid. If you have 200 referrals, they'll pay you $10,000 a month. Boop. So yeah, if you have any questions about Stuff or Shorby or any of the things that I've mentioned, click the link down. Well, not click the link. Comment down below on this video. I'm super excited to share with you guys. Super excited to chat about it. And I really want to know if you actually like the services. Like if you actually use the Stuff personal assistant app and you like the services. There isn't a lot of information about it, honestly. It's something that I stumbled across, and I'm talking. What is it? Don't talk to me while I'm talking. You what? You want to what?
I want to get blue.
You want to get blue?
Yeah.
Go ahead. So yeah, if you actually try it out. Oh no, I was saying, when I went on YouTube and looked up the Stuff app, there was no videos about it. So if you go look up the Stuff app now, you're just going to see my video about it. So that's the beauty of YouTube, honestly. Like, and I'm going to throw this game at you guys really quick, and then after that I'm going to go. But if there is something that you're looking into and you don't find the information, make a YouTube video. Make a YouTube video about it, a how-to video, and you can literally send so many views to your page, so much traffic to your page, making sure that you're using the right SEO information. And if you're not really familiar with YouTube and how to monetize your YouTube and how to get your SEO going, you definitely want to work with me on that. I am a YouTube SEO master. I definitely know what I'm doing in that area. And I can definitely help you rank your videos, get you in front of the people that need to buy your products, that need to see the information that you're posting. So I have two options that you guys can work with me. You can become one of my personal monthly coaching client students, which I'm really excited about. I love helping people design their brands from scratch, or even enhance what they already have going on, and integrate all of these different systems that I use to run my businesses directly from my phone. It is literally so simple, and I'm so grateful for the information that I have acquired over these past couple of years that have allowed me to be able to run my businesses on autopilot from my phone. Like if I want to edit my website, I can do it from my phone. If I think of something that I want to launch,